Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of swollen lips naturally. Apart from being embarrassing and painful, a swollen or fat lip can make it difficult to eat, drink, talk or even open your mouth. Causes of swollen lips are allergies to certain medicines, environmental allergies such as pollen, animal dander and dust, insect bite or sting, lip piercing, minor wounds or cuts to the lips, nutritional deficiency, harsh temperature, viral infections such as varicella, herpes and measles, food allergies. Signs and symptoms of swollen lips are touch sensitivity, chapped lips, soreness in lips, flushed red appearance of the lips, cracked skin, burning sensation. Here are some special home remedies to get rid of swollen lips naturally. Home remedy number 1, cold compress. Pressing a cold compress helps bring down the swelling and also temporarily numbs the area, relieving any pain. Place a handful of ice cubes on a clean cotton cloth, bundle it up and press it against the swollen areas for 5 minutes. Remove the ice compress for at least 1 minute or until your lips feel comfortable again, then repeat. The compress should give you some immediate relief. Repeat 3 or 4 times daily for 1 to 2 days. Home remedy number 2, tea bags. Both black and green tea are loaded with tannins. These tannins has astringent properties that help reduce pain and swelling in soft tissues of the lips. Place a tea bag in warm water for 10 minutes. Remove the tea bag and wring out the excess water. Allow it to cool for a few minutes. Place the tea bag over your swollen lips for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat 4 or 5 times a day to reduce the swelling. Continue using the remedy until the swelling is completely gone. Home remedy number 3, warm salt water. Warm salt water can also be used to get rid of swollen lips, especially if the swelling is due to an infected cut. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Soak a cotton ball in the saline water and dab it over your swollen lips. It may sting a little, but be a little patient. The salt water will speed up the healing process. Use this remedy 1 or 2 times daily until the swelling comes down and the cut, if any, is healed. Home remedy number 4, cold spoon. A cold spoon is another convenient way of applying a cold compress to get rid of swollen lips. Gently press a cold spoon against the swollen lips for 10 to 15 minutes. When the spoon gets warm, replace it with a fresh cold spoon. Similar to the ice compress, the temperature of the cold spoon will give you immediate relief from the soreness. Repeat 3 or 4 times daily until the swelling subsides. Home remedy number 5, turmeric. Turmeric powder has antiseptic as well as healing property to treat a swollen lip. Mix a pinch of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of fuller's earth and enough cold water to make a paste. Apply it over the affected area. Allow it to dry for some time and then clean the lips with lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily to get rid of pain and swelling in the lips. Home remedy number 6, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease the swelling and soothe burning sensation of lips. Apply freshly extracted aloe vera gel on the affected lip. Massage the area gently so the aloe vera is absorbed into the lip. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. Home remedy number 7, baking soda. Baking soda reduces pain and inflammation of a swollen lip caused by an insect bite, an allergic reaction, or a fever blister. Mix 3 teaspoons of baking soda with enough water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste on the affected lip. Leave it until it dries. Rinse it off with cold water and pat your lip dry. Repeat the application a few times a day until the swelling subsides. Home remedy number 8, honey. Honey is very effective for swollen lip. It will keep your lips well moisturized, prevent infection and reduce inflammation, swelling and pain. Dip a cotton ball in 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it on the affected lip. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse the area with cold water. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. Home remedy number 9, warm compress. Similar to cold compresses, applying a hot compress is another effective way to treat a swollen lip. Soak a washcloth in warm water and wring out the excess water. You can also use a heating pad, apply it over your lip for 10 minutes, repeat a few times a day. Avoid using a warm compress on injured skin. Home remedy number 10, witch hazel. Witch hazel can do wonders to reduce swollen lip. Mix 1 tablespoon witch hazel with 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture on the affected lip. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Rinse the area with cold water. Repeat as needed until you notice improvement. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.